Welcome, in front of me I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I will show you how you can activate or disable Hey Google voice command. So at first you have to open Google application and click on the right upper corner. Go for the settings, pick voice, and then go for the voice match. When you are here, we have to find this option called Hey Google, and if you want to activate this option, click on the switcher, and after that you have to accept everything that pops on the screen, like click next on the right bottom corner. In my case, this option is set up so I cannot show you step by step how it looks, but after you accept the few things and tap on the switcher here, you will get this circle and you have OK Google for the 2 times, OK Google, and then 2 times Hey Google. Hey Google. As you can see, setup is finished, so click finish to confirm, and right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, our assistant will be activated. And if you want to get rid of that, just tap on the switcher again and test it if it works. Hey Google, OK Google. As you can see, this voice command is not activated, and if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.